Hey guys, it's Austin from Secoraustin, number 166 YouTube channels. I thought maybe I'd show you how to make a paper airplane. So yeah, here you go. First, take one sheet of paper, fold it in half. Make sure everything's even. Make sure it's a good crease. Then you open it and you fold it to the crease. So you got a nice fold. And copy and repeat the same thing on the other side. Make sure everything's even again. It should look like this. Then you do the same thing again. Fold into the crease. Copy on the other side, making sure everything's even. Yeah, again. Then it'll look like this. Fold it in half again. Crease it. Then you fold down to this crease here. Crease it, flip it over, and do the same thing, making sure everything's even. Then you got a nice little airplane here. It's a paper airplane. And test fly it. Ceiling. Yeah. Try it again. In the wall, but flies pretty good when you got an open area. So yeah. Thank you guys. Subscribe, comment, rate. Yep.